In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram post using app.photoroom.com. Whether you're looking to boost your social media presence or simply want to craft a visually appealing post, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. We'll start from scratch and walk you through each step, ensuring that you have all the information you need to create stunning visuals. First, head over to app.photoroom.com and click on the Create button, which is your gateway to a plethora of creative possibilities. This site is a user-friendly platform that helps you edit images with ease, perfect for both beginners and seasoned designers. Once you're on the main page, the next step involves a little scrolling. Move down the screen until you reach the section titled Social Networks. Here, look for the option labeled Instagram Post. This is your target, as it is optimized specifically for creating posts that will attract attention on Instagram. After locating Instagram Post under the Social Networks category, it's time to choose your format. Click on this option and you'll be presented with various templates specifically designed for Instagram. Each format is curated to fit well within your post while capturing the imagination of your audience. Go ahead and select the one that meets your style or the theme you're going for. Click on the template to dive deeper into customization options. Now comes the editing. This is where you can let your creativity run wild. Play around with different elements, add text, adjust colors, or overlay graphics until you're satisfied with how everything comes together. Don't forget to take advantage of the various tools and features that Photoroom offers to fine-tune your design. Remember, the goal is to create something that catches the eye and communicates your message effectively. It's important to periodically preview your post to see how it will appear on your feed and make necessary adjustments. Once you're happy with your creation, the final step is exporting your work. Click the Download button. This will export your image, saving it directly to your device. The downloaded file will be ready for you to use in your Instagram Reels or as a standalone post. Make sure to save it in an easily accessible folder so that you can quickly pull it up when you're ready to share it with the world. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can craft engaging Instagram content that stands out, enhancing your social media interaction. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.